Hi everyone! We have a brand new Toyota GRS Fortuner straight from dealership. The client wants a basic first upgrade, so I suggest him the things to be installed. The client wants a 20-inch specific TE37 ultra large PCD. So here's it in bronze color with bronze LPS center cap, wrapped in Toyo Open Country RT tires. Perfect fitment stands. And the client wants a brighter auxiliary light at night, so I suggest him to replace his LED auxiliary fog to IPF. He chose the white color. Also for the horn, we installed the discontinued model Mitsuba Arena 3. We also replaced the reverse to high-powered. The interior, we replaced the door light. To LED for a cleaner look. And the rear, because the rear is still halogen. And also, we installed Hypotec matting. And also, we installed, for safety, 70 Mi. This is the 4K A800 SE. This is the front and rear recording, and with hardware kit. Even the car is on off position, when there's an intruder or there's a vibration in the car, the unit will automatically record it. And lastly, on the tint, he chooses the BF Supreme Plus. This is the top of the line. Medium on front windshield, while the side to the back is dark. I suggest the client for his phase 2 build to replace his or upgrade his shocks to tane, and also upgrade his cold air intake and full exhaust system. That will be the phase 2 build. And also, the client is planning to replace the brake to original Brembo. So that will be his phase 2 build. So, guys, see the stance. Clean look build. You know, simplicity is always the best. If you like how we built here, feel free to message me. And please follow, subscribe my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, everyone. Bye!